In this video, I'll show you how to check your login activity on Snapchat and remove any unwanted devices. First, grab your phone and open Snapchat app. Next, look at the top left corner of your screen and tap on your Bitmoji or profile picture icon. Now, head to the top right corner and tap on the gear icon to open your settings. In the settings menu, scroll down and tap on two-factor authentication. If you haven't enabled it yet, go ahead and turn it on. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. After enabling two-factor authentication, tap on Forget Devices. You'll now see a list of all the devices that have logged into your Snapchat account. Take a moment to review the list. If you see a device that you don't recognize, you can remove it by tapping the X icon next to it. And that's it. If this helped you out, give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.